Today I'm gonna show you how to cook the perfect medium rare skirt steak in less than 5 minutes without a barbecue grill. And before you start prepping your steak, you have to preheat your cast iron pan. Set the burner to high, the highest setting that you have on your burner, and just let it be while you're prepping the steak. Skirt steak usually has a fat side and a skinny side. And in order to achieve the perfect medium rare skirt steak, we're gonna slice it right about in the middle, and we're gonna cook it 2 different lengths of time. We're gonna cook this one a little bit more than the skinny one because we want both to be medium rare. So here I have my skinny one and I have my fat one. And for those of you who know me well, you know that I always say that less is more. So the only thing I'm adding to the skirt steak is kosher salt, and I'm gonna add kosher salt on both sides. I'm gonna tap it a little bit, flip it over, salt this side as well, and you can see how much salt I'm putting. It's about a pinch of salt on each side. And I'm gonna salt this guy, the skinny one that I'm gonna cook a little less. You don't need anything else unless you're cooking Mexican or Asian dish. You don't need to marinate it, you don't need to waste your time. And once the pan is nicely heated up, we're gonna start cooking, and I'm going to use the stopwatch on my phone. So I will start with the thicker piece, put it in the pan, and we will do 2 minutes. And we're just about at 2 minutes. We're gonna stop it. You see how easy it is? It's not stuck at all. And we'll start for another 2 minutes. This way you're getting this nice charcoal grill flavor. So if you don't have a barbecue grill, this is a great way to cook your skirt steak. And we are at 4 minutes now. I'm gonna take it out. I'm gonna let it rest right over here. And now I'm gonna cook the skinny one. And for the skinny part, or the skinny side, we're just gonna do 1 minute on each side. And we're at the 1 minute mark. Flipping it over. We're gonna wait until the timer gets to 2 minutes. And that is going to be so absolutely delicious. And we are done. I'm gonna let it rest for at least 10 minutes because it's gonna continue to cook while it's resting, and then we're gonna slice it. And when it comes to slicing the skirt steak, the meat muscles, the grain of the meat goes out this way, so we are going to slice it this way, so across, perpendicular to the direction of the muscles. Look at that, perfect medium rare. Look how wonderful that is right here for you. That is just absolutely beautiful. And I'm gonna slice the skinny part one so I can show you that the skinny part is perfectly medium rare as well. There you go, perfect medium rare steak. I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you have any questions, please put them in the comment section below. And if you're new to my channel, please subscribe. I'll see you next time, guys. Bye!